Hey, Kathy, have you ever heard of Aeronautical Landing?
You're saying it all wrong. It's Aeronautica, not aeronautical. So on this lovely Carolina afternoon, we are headed over to Carowinds to catch up on Aeronautica Landing.
Aeronautica.
and to check out the new VIP tent. We did upgrade our passes to the Prestige Pass.
I look really forward to that.
And we're also going to snoop around and see if we can find some Scarowinds. So,
yeah,
let's head on out.
Let's go, guys.
Now we know the name of the land, and we've got some pictures of the rides that are coming, the names.
So we have how many rides coming?
That's up for grabs.
It is
5 or 6, so we'll see.
Carowinds has only announced 4 of the new rides.
But they said there would be 5 new rides and 1 returning ride.
Exactly. So of course, all of the rides are going to be flat rides, the more spinny type rides. Feel free to go to the Carowinds website and check out the new rides.
Yeah.
They look exciting. I'm especially excited for 2 of the rides.
Right.
Yeah.
And the flyover that they put out was pretty cool. Not sat down and really looked at it in slow-mo or anything, trying to figure things out, but it looks good.
Yes, and they also introduced a new restaurant, bar area that's going to be coming to the area.
Terminal A.
Terminal A. So, and that's going to be right around where the Chick-fil-A area is.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was very needed in this area. Of course, Carowinds is slowly retheming all of their areas. And to me, this was a much needed enhancement. Don't you think so? At the Crossroads area?
Yeah, I can't wait to see it.
I can't either.
The flyover really looked great. So let's get back there and see if we can see anything over the fence or through the fence.
Yeah, let's go. I'm excited.
Here are some of the teaser posters. The Flying Circus, Fort Mill, South Carolina. Was that one of the houses? I know that was always the circus area for Scarowinds. And we had the August 11th announcement. S23.
August the 11th.
Spring of 2023 maybe is when we're going to open. Test your bravery, join the crew, and become a member of the Aviation Club today. Setting the stage for a curiosity to soar. 08/11.
Yeah, again,
August 11th was the Come Fly the Carolina Skies. We got a peek inside. Look at that, y'all.
Definitely started some demolition where the Southern Star was.
Southern Star is gone, gone, gone. You see clear through back to Plants vs. Zombies. And it looks like there's no movement back there. The big question is, what is going to take place at Plants vs. Zombies? Exploration begins August 11th. Fantasy, a flight comes to life, unlimited flights with a golden ticket.
That means your gold pass.
Yep. And we have been told, if you refer maybe back to Hanging with the Crazy Crew or Adventures That Rock, they show it. We're not going to walk inside though. But they've already started on construction in Chick-fil-A. That side of the restaurant is being transitioned into Terminal A. One thing I did want to address is that Southern Star, we had heard rumors that it was just being moved to a different part of the park. And while that still may happen, it has been put on the back burner, so we've heard. So I don't think it's been destroyed. It may come back as a later date, because for years and years it was the Frienzoid, and then it came back years later, a Southern Star. So I'm sure they're holding it somewhere. And when they get around to that area of the park, they'll probably find a place to slide it in. Okay, so we are on the other side of Chick-fil-A now. And we've got blue fences over here too. So, wonder why. Okay, here we go with another look down into what was the country Crossroads, or the Crossroads section. Doesn't appear to be any work going on today. The yo-yo is definitely gone. Really nothing that I can tell of has been done to Plants vs. Zombies. So we didn't mention it before, but the icy stand here by, let's see, the basketball court and going into Blue Ridge Junction is gone. Not sure what's going on here. This is not a part of Crossroads, so Okay, so we just found out a little bit more about these. These are actually not part of the VIP tent up front. This is a whole separate thing, and these are bungalows. They're calling them bungalows, and think of them kind of like a cabana in the water park. They are for rent for the day. Somewhere probably around $60 to $70 per day. So they said that we can walk up to this one. The other two are being rented, and of course, you know, they don't want us to go in there. But you have seating, you have a refrigerator, you will have a TV. They're putting in the lights. Also, they're thinking about some fans and other things back here. So, very nice looking.
Yeah, I'm not sure if these are going to be heated yet or not.
No.
Winterfest.
No, but you can draw the curtains. There is some mosquito netting, they said, there too. So, nice. Today is the first day that they're doing these. So they're still getting them together, so give them some time. Not sure if we've shown this or not, but this little store they enclosed put some cute things in here. Unfortunately, the Sky Tower is not running today, so I don't think we're going to be able to get some like overhead shots of stuff that's going on behind the scenes.
But we will be back next weekend. And hopefully it's going to be up by then.
Yeah. So one of the things we need to address here is that on our last video to you, we told you this tent was for Scarowinds. And that's what we had been told. Sort of think the igloos for Winterfest, this was supposed to be like a tent for Scarowinds. So we now know that this is a VIP tent for the new Prestige Pass that has just been announced.
Yeah, you walk inside the tent, it looks very comfortable. They have a nice seating area. Plus, they offer TVs. They have beverages. And they also have some snacks.
Yeah.
So let's go in and check it out.
Yeah. Okay, so right now they are checking you in here for the VIP tent.
Yeah, you have to check in at the Go Fetch little game area.
Yeah.
Just right beside of the tent. And you get one of these cool cabana bracelets.
Yeah. So I guess we won't have to, this is the only time we'll have to check in. We can come and go as we please the rest of the day.
Yep.
But we'll find out. We are here in the tent. Very nice seating. Under normal circumstances, these TVs would be on, but a pretty bad storm came through last night with a lot of wind, and the TVs aren't working right now. But
Now, we've also been told that the snacks and drinks are unlimited until someone starts abusing it. So
please don't abuse it.
that.
Nope. Here you go.
Have some big cooling fans over here.
Okay, we were told that if you don't have the Prestige Pass and you just wanted to be able to use the tent for the day, you could pay $30, and that's the price right now. And if you have a Gold Pass, then you can get a discount off of that. Okay, just to let you know, this is what the Prestige Pass includes.
Okay, the new pass includes free preferred parking, which is a major plus.
Yes. That's probably the reason why I got it.
Yep.
There is going to be a preferred entrance, and it says 2 hours, so I'm thinking maybe first thing in the morning and then maybe an exit at the end of the day, the last hour or something like that.
Okay, now for the full season, you get 2 free bring a friend tickets.
That's
for the entire season.
Well, that's for 2023.
Yeah, 2023.
You get 1 free front of the line pass
And that's per visit.
per visit, and that's for next year.
Yep. Of course, you get access to the VIP area, which is in effect now, which we just left.
Right. You get access to an exclusive water park area.
Yeah, reserved water park area. And enhanced pass perks rewards.
Yes.
So some of this is in effect now. Some of this does not go in effect till 2023.
Right.
So we did just leave the VIP tent, which was, I mean, that's awesome. Good job, Carowinds. Thank you.
One other thing we didn't mention was that I believe that the Prestige Pass, you get a extra maybe 5% discount, so your 10% goes to 15%.
Right, so that's a major plus.
So this is the Scarowinds part of the video, and we are paying tribute to one of our favorite houses here.
Which was Zombie High,
Yeah,
which was at Pat Hall High School.
yeah.
If Pat Hall rings a bell with anybody.
So we're standing here, what would have been the entrance if we were going.
It's been closed now for several years. But guess what, guys? Hey, the building's still here.
Okay, so the Red Ribbon Meat sign is still here, still hanging on.
Yeah, so is this maze returning this year for 2022?
We'll see real soon.
We really enjoyed our day today here at Carowinds.
We did. Got to see where some construction on the new Aeronautica
Aeronautica Landing.
site.
Yes.
Yeah. And was scouting some Scarowinds stuff. Didn't find anything really. Well, we sort of did, but didn't really. Got to go inside the VIP tent for the first time.
Yeah, the VIP tents here are definitely awesome. Okay, so if you're able to upgrade to the new Prestige Pass, you really need to. It's well worth it.
Yeah, the parking alone, in my opinion, will be worth it.
Yeah, the bring a friend, plus on each visit, you get a first in line pass. So it's definitely worth it.
Yeah.
In the VIP tent, you get free beverages, free snacks.
So until next time, which may be next weekend.
Yep. It's Todd and Kathy with Just Out and About. Be sure to like and subscribe to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok for Just Out and About.
Yeah.
So until next time, guys. Bye. You know,